Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Ink and Inspirations. Thanks for joining me. I just wanted to share the online class I'm offering this month, September of 2021. And this class is going to be a thank you class for placing a qualifying order with me. So if you place an order of $50 or more, you'll not only get a celebration item, but you're going to get the kit and the video tutorial to make this little memory book album slash junk journal slash scripture album, photo album, whatever you want to make it. So a lot of love went into creating this, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So from September 1st through September 10th, because I have a limited supply of vintage papers that I am able to give at this time, I am going to send this kit out, and I will have all of the details listed in the post below. But you will get the pieces, the cut cardstock, the vintage papers, everything you need to create this little journal. Now, what would you do with this? Well, some things, it could be a travel journal. You could use it for memory keeping. You could use it as a scripture journal, which is what I'm going to do for one of these. I'm going to also use one and create one that I can use as a travel journal. And it's just really fun to put together. I'm going to give you all the pieces and give you all of the instructions so that you can assemble it yourself. Now, that will be the kit, and the online video on a class page will be available to you with a $50 order before shipping and tax. Now, if your order is $100 or more, you're not only going to get this kit, but you're going to get a pack of the In Color jewels that I think will go perfectly with this to embellish the kit as you wish. So anyway, I'll go into more detail once you qualify to earn the class. And I want you to know this class has at least a $47 value if I were just offering the class by itself. But as a thank you for helping me achieve my goal, this is the end of the Stampin' Up! Year, and I am wanting to share this with you. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in this class. Take care. Bye-bye.